guys, now I'll just guide you through my homemade rocket engine. Let's start by the engine. We have it right here. It's mounted on this wall, and then I have built a box out around it to prevent anything like from exploding. I don't think so, but just to be on the safe side. And then I have I don't know what it's called in English, but things like a star thrower. I have inside here and locked here, so it doesn't pop out when I ignite the motor. And by the way, this is the igniter. So here we have an overview, and on the right hand side here, we have our pump, which then pump air into it like this, and it pumps air into this air tank I built. It's just in the cap here, and then with some epoxy around, and then from the button and so on. And then I have air compressor, like it have a servo motor here to control the air, and it has the electronics here with some Bluetooth and some high voltage thing that can make sparks. Though the sparks isn't that good of an igniter for this rocket motor, so that's why I use a star thrower. Looking at this one, it was for some propane gas I tested, but it didn't work that well. So now I have turned out to use this little pump, which then pump some alcohol through this one and inside the rocket motor. So it's like water cooled. We have some alcohol going into that one, and at the side we have some air compressed and rotated around in the rocket motor, and the fuel, the alcohol, it is just like the injector just do like this. Just spray it out, and here you can see the alcohol. Yeah, I have a lot of water to keep safety high, and the reason I am doing this at night is because it's easier to see the motor, since it's not like my other motors, which is solid rocket fuel. This is liquid rocket fuel with alcohol instead of maybe sugar rockets. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting. I'm going to make a clip of this, how it will do tonight. So see you soon. I actually forgot to show the electronics in action. I have built this app called Liquid Rocket Engine Test app, and I can connect to Bluetooth. I can turn the ignition on and off. I can turn the gas on. We're not gonna use that. Instead we're gonna use the alcohol on and off. And then I have the air here. I can say, okay, the air is off, and then I can say, let's say 100% air. It will move to 100% air, you can hear it. And if I then turn on the igniter, you might hear that. Okay, I don't think you can hear that. The battery cell is a bit low, so I actually don't think it is sparking right now. Let's try to turn the alcohol on. Okay, you can for sure hear that. And then emergency stop turns everything off. So yeah, this can go to about 9 meters. That means I can stay here in my work space and control the engine, just to give you a perspective of how long distance. Yeah, it's just about 6 meters or so. So let's see the rocket engine in firing tonight.
Okay, so here you see the just a little clip of the rocket motor, which is ethanol plus air. You see a lot of sparks, but it's just from the start thrower. And then you see a little flame. But this is actually as expected because we only have 3 grams of ethanol. This was just to, start slowly and then building up. And yeah, it's only 3 grams of ethanol, so it's not a lot. Then looking at this picture, we can see that it's a hot start. And this is with propane plus air. It only lasts for a few milliseconds. Though this is big and looks great, I'm still going to use ethanol and then just try to take more and more and build up more and more ethanol in. And yeah, maybe I'm going to use an oxygen tank, an oxygen bottle to get, instead of needing so much air to push in, then just have oxygen. Also, it saves me a lot of time. So yeah, thanks for watching.